So in our last video we had talked about how to reduce satellite station angles into real station angles, okay, and the typical shape of calculations were like this. If this were satellite, this were true station, and this were the stations through which angles were supposed to be measured, okay, and we measured angles with respect to theta and we calculated similarly, okay. So suppose instead of this system of angle making we have more than two or three angles or stations, external stations, for example D in here, E in here, okay. And there is one more peculiarity: all the angles will be measured if suppose this is true station and this, suppose this is satellite station S. All the angles measured will be measured from the line joining true station and satellite station, okay. So there is no relevance for the direction of satellite station, okay. Wherever the satellite station is, suppose if there is, here is satellite station, here is satellite, wherever is satellite station around true station, the angle measurement will be in reference to this line, okay. And obviously the measurement will be in whole circle bearing 0 to 360 degree, okay. So if suppose the angle measurement is done with respect to the line joining true station and satellite station, and we call them as bearings, okay. So suppose if this is the true station and this is a satellite station, it can be anywhere, and the line joining this line is the reference line, okay. So SB is 0 degree 0 minute 0 seconds, okay. And suppose here is A1, that is the station 1, and we were supposed to measure the angle BA1 or bearing of A1, okay. But instead we measured angle from satellite station, so we measured from satellite station and named it as theta, okay. So A1 was the external station like A in our previous one, and measurement was done as theta 1. Theta 1 may be 30 degree, 20 minutes, 20 seconds, any value, okay. So from this value we have to calculate this phi 1 value, okay, bearing of line joining BA1. Right now we have bearing of line joining SA1, okay. So again, suppose here is another station, that is A2. We want to find out the bearing of BA2, but right now we are only having theta 2, okay. It can be n number of stations, so there is no limit to 2 stations. There can be n number of stations, for example A3, A4, etc., okay. So okay, so this will be theta 3, this will be theta 4, okay. Those all will be bearings, So theta 2 will be something like 100 degree 20 minutes. Theta 3 will be more than 180. So maybe around 250 degree 10 minutes. Theta 4 is furthermore maybe around 300, that is theta 4 maybe 310 degree 10 minutes, etc. Okay, so this will be the question that you will be having, and always also you will be having this distance also, the distance that can be measured from the true station to that particular station. For example, BA1, BA2, BA3 and BA4. Okay, so this is the same concept but with bearings. Okay, so what we are going to do is, again it's very simple, same methodology but a slight change. Again we will be calculating alphas. There is no beta, there is only alphas. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. Okay, with the same hypothesis or thumb rule, we will write an equation for each of alphas. Alpha 1 in seconds is equal to d. D is the distance from satellite station to true station. Okay, so d by BA1, that is the distance from that particular station from where we are measuring that angle alpha 1 to the true station, that is BA1 into same thing, sine of angle measured from satellite station to that particular new angle measured station A1 from true station, that is in this case it is bearing, that is theta 1, sine divided by sine 1 seconds. Okay, same thing. Similarly I can write all those things, theta alpha 2 in seconds, d by BA2, without looking I can write now, looking at this, sine theta 2 by sine 1 seconds, alpha 3 in seconds is equal to d by BA3 sine theta 3 by sine 1 seconds, alpha 4 in seconds is equal to d by BA4 sine theta 4 by sine 1 seconds. Okay, and we want the bearing of, the answers are bearing of BA1, bearing of BA2, bearing of BA3 and bearing of BA4. Okay, so bearing of BA1 is theta 1 plus alpha 1. Okay, so for what decides on this sign is whether theta 1 is less than 180 degree or greater than 180. That's it. If it is less than 180 degree, that means it is on the it's on this side, it will be plus sign. If it is on this side, for example alpha 3 and alpha 4, it will be minus sign. Okay, so bearing of BA1 is equal to theta 1 plus alpha 1, BA2 is equal to theta 2 plus alpha 2, it is less than 180 degree. Okay, and BA3 is equal to theta 3 minus alpha 3, BA4 is equal to theta 4 minus alpha 4. Okay, so these two sets of equations, you can easily write all these equations very simply. Okay, if you know the concept of our last problem. Okay, so this is how you find bearings on satellite stations, where you are measuring angles, all the angles with reference to the line joining true station and satellite station. Okay, so let's move on to the problem. So this is the question. You have 4 sets of bearings or directions and 3 values. Okay, so obviously this 0 degree 0 minutes 0 seconds is given to make you understand that the measurement was taken with this BS line as AS line as reference. Okay, so if this is A, this is A is true station from A, 10 meters satellite station S, this is 10 meters. Okay, and from S A to A, bearing was taken as 0 degree 0 minutes 0 seconds, that is 0. It is the reference line. From this line it started measuring, that's why given as 0. Okay, then B is 140 degree, around here. B. C is 242. There is no accurate, no need to even sketch this figure. You can just write in the alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and solve it right away. Okay, if it makes you easier to understand, then draw it. Okay, after 1 or 2 problems you need not to draw this. You can just apply the equation and write the values. D is somewhere here. This is C and D. Okay, so this is around the measurements, and these measurements are given. AB is given, AC is given, and AD is given. Okay, so 140 degree theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3, all these bearings from satellite station, taken from satellite station starting from this line. Okay, so you can right away we can find the values, and question is bearings of lines AB, AC, AD. Okay, so we will start with B, second station. So alpha 1 in seconds is equal to D by AB sine B, 140 degree 20 minutes 20 seconds divided by sine 1 seconds, that is 10 by AB is 3350.54 sine 140 degree 20 minute 20 seconds divided by sine 1 seconds. Okay, and that is 372.91 seconds, and from the calculator you get it as 6 minutes 33 seconds. Okay, so we have alpha 1, this angle as 6 minutes 33 seconds. So from this value we will now calculate the first answer, bearing of line AB, that is theta 1 plus alpha 1 plus, because it is on the 1 and 2 quadrants. Okay, so theta 1 plus alpha 1, that is theta 1 is 140 degree 20 minute 20 seconds plus alpha 1 is 0 degree 6 minute 33 seconds. Okay, that is 140 degree 26 minute 53 seconds. That is bearing of AB. Okay, so we are done with, out of 3 questions we have answered first one. Second one, alpha 2 in seconds is D by AC sine 245 degree 30 minutes 25 seconds by sine 1 seconds. That is 10 by AC is 4132.43 into sine 245 degree 30 minutes 25 seconds by sine 1 seconds. That is, you will get the answer as minus 454 minutes 454.22 seconds. Okay, and that will be equal to minus 7 minute 34.22 seconds as alpha 2. Okay, so you have got the sign as negative, don't mind that. So bearing of AC is equal to theta 2 minus, not plus, minus alpha 2, because it is greater than 180 degree. 245 is greater than 180 degree. That is, theta 2 is 245 degree 30 minutes 25 seconds minus, same way, no need to consider this minus sign, 7 minutes 34.22 seconds. Okay, so if you have getting values greater than 180 degree in bearings, you just have to minus that value irrespective of the sign. Okay, even if you get minus or plus, you just have to minus that value. Obviously, in all the cases you will be getting a minus value, so just put it as it. Okay, so that is 245 degree 22 minutes 50.78 seconds. That is bearing of AC. Okay, and the last one you do as a homework. You know the equation, alpha 3 in seconds will be equal to D by AD into sine of this value divided by sine of 1 seconds, and if you will be getting a negative value, and just subtract that value with 305 degree 15 minute 35 seconds. Okay, so those are the 3 values, and please work out more examples. Thank you.